First,
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
for their patience and belief in the rule of law and committing to this process of law. Indeed, democracy is the only hope for the survival of this nation. And this judgment has demonstrated the efficacy and the gains of believing in democracy. We thank the court, and we thank particularly the person of the Deputy Governor of Edo State, His Excellency, Comrade Phillip Shuaibu, for trusting in the judiciary. Thank you very much.
How do you react to
You are allowed to say something. Please. Let him say something. This is also the gentleman to say something.
How do you react? And they can't make any consequential order as to the benefits of the deputy governor. Why this different?
Please, just so that he's in my short, please.
I think that should have been from a lawyer to talk about the case. For me, I want to thank the judiciary. I want to thank Justice Omotosho for his courage, and he has restored confidence. Truly, the judiciary is the last hope of the common man. And as a common person, justice has been done. I want to thank Edo people and Nigerians. Everywhere I went throughout this process, everybody I see, they tell me we are praying for you. I want to tell Edo people and Nigerians that have been praying for me, that grace has answered my prayer. So I dedicate this to God and ask God. This justice and this judgment today, as we have found the foundation of democracy in Nigeria, and it has also sent a message to our democratic forces that their time is running out. Democracy must come in Nigeria. Democracy is to Edo people, I will continue to serve you. Everything I have, and we support together. Thank Edo, and I thank God for this.
Thank you.
Thank you, Legislative Council.
The earlier judgment, what's your reaction?
Yes. First and foremost, we want to thank God Almighty for the way and manner the matter is determined expeditiously, because the case was filed by the someone ordinarily. So it was done independently of the case when issues were joined on the ground that the voters card, the falsification of the voters card is a criminal allegation raised in civil matter, and it has to be resolved by calling of oral evidence. So the court now ordered the parties to file pleadings. It was for the filing of the pleadings we were able to call oral evidence and call witnesses, then adopt our final written address yesterday, being on the 16th of July. Now the judgment has been delivered on the ground that the issue of local standard of the plaintiffs in the matter, that Honorable Aslem and Honorable Ato, the Senate, were duly participated in the PDP governorship primary election conducted on the 22nd of February in Edo State. And that they have all the local standing, they have all the rights to complain about the false information submitted by the candidate that emerged in the aforesaid primary election. But however, having resolved all the issue of the decision in favor of the plaintiffs, the court still went further to say that the requirement to challenge the nomination of the candidate the governorship candidate, their voters card is not among one of the enumerated requirements, even if forged under the 1999 Constitution. And this court, this judgment today, is really a monumental development of our jurisprudence of re-election matter when it has to do with falsification of credentials submitted to INEC. As far as we are concerned, the work of the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court are less cumbersome. It is just for them to interpret whether the voter's card is a disqualifying factor in contesting the office of governor of a state or not. And once that is resolved, we are very optimistic that the PDP governorship candidate will be disqualified from the election. On the second judgment of impeachment, we are also part of the plaintiff council, and we thank God Almighty for the judgment on the ground that you cannot use brigandage, or because somebody filed a suit in a court of competent jurisdiction to seek for the enforcement of his fundamental right, you rely on that as a gross misconduct to impeach an elected deputy governor of his state. That is in violation of section 188 of the 1999 Constitution, and that is what the court has considered. So, and thank God for the consequential order that has been given that the plaintiff, Right Honorable Phillip Shuaibu, should be reinstated as the deputy governor of the state with immediate effect of Edo State with immediate effect. So we thank you, thank the court, and thank all the supporters and the Nigerians and the good people of Edo State.
In addition to what he has said, the court also went further. The office was never vacant, and therefore there cannot be any replacement to that office. So, thank you very much.